Tired of complex systems that make managing time, attendance, and leave a headache? No worries, Imperium Employee Management is here to simplify this for you. Built with Microsoft Power Apps and designed on the Power Platform, Imperium Employee Management is a systematic tool to manage employee attendance that seamlessly integrates with software that you already have. Swiftly assign leaves, approve requests, and gain real-time insights about employee attendance. Your employees will also thank you because this solution simplifies the clock-in, clock-out process. Whether you own a large organization or a budding startup, fuel your business evolution with a solution that can scale with your growth. Plus, nowadays, everybody knows that time is a vital resource. That is why, from digital agencies and software houses to construction companies and real estate, Imperium Employee Management allows everyone to manage their workforce and run business operations smoothly. Say goodbye to lengthy spreadsheets and manual tracking, and hello to an integrated solution that simplifies allocating resources and managing tasks and empowers informed decisions. Are you ready to transform the way you operate your workforce? Try Imperium Employee Management today. Read more here on our website or contact us to unlock new possibilities together.